Hello and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to mention someone on your Instagram story. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Then you can either tap on the plus icon that appears on the bottom of your screen, or you can simply tap on the plus icon that appears on the top left corner over your profile picture. Tap on it. Now you can select any image that you'd like to upload on your story. After tapping on that image, you'll be led to this page. Now to mention someone, you can do it either through your text, or there's a separate mention section that you can use under the stickers option. So go ahead and tap on the stickers icon that appears on the top of your screen. After that, you can see that there's a mention option. Simply tap on it. Type out the username of the person you'd like to tag on your story. However, there's not many options to edit the style of this tag, so you can simply do it with text as well. Go ahead and tap on the text icon that appears on the top of your screen, and now type out the username of the person you'd like to tag. I'm going to go ahead and tap this person. Over here, I can select my preferred font as I wish. I can even set the colors. I can set an animation to these mentions and tap on done. After that, you simply tap on your story option that appears on the bottom left of your screen. As you can see, my story has been posted, and if I tap on the tag section, you can see that it will show a pop-up which will redirect me to this person's Instagram page. And this is how you tag someone on Instagram. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.